Suppose I have a question where I have to evaluate the limit. That means find the value of that limit. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 1 by x. How do I do this? First I define this as a function fx. That means fx equals to 1 by x I write. Okay. Now to examine this existence of this limit function, we prepare the following table showing the value of x and fx. To examine the existence of limit x tends to 0 fx, we show the following table, right, where I show the values of x and fx, and I take values such way some values are from the approaching 0, x equals to 0 from left hand side, and some values are approaching from the right hand side. So those will be from the left hand side. I have some negative values, so minus 0.1 it can be minus 0.01, minus 0.001, and it can continue like this, and some positive values like 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, and it goes on. And what are the corresponding values of fx? If you use your calculator, just put the values of x here and find what is 1 by x. You will get fx equals to minus 10 here, you will get minus 100 here, minus 1000 here, and so on. And for these you will get 10, 100, 1000, and so on. So you can see from this table it is readily seen. Let me write from this table. It is readily seen that limit x tends to 0 minus, that means those values from the left hand side, fx equals to minus infinity, right? Why minus infinity? Because when you are approaching from the left hand side, you see fx can be any values, right? Minus 10, minus 100, minus 1000, it's going on, it's not ending. So this is this is approaching to minus infinity. And when you are approaching from the right hand side, you get limit x tends to 0 plus fx equals to infinity. Infinity because you are getting the values of fx equals to 100, 10, 100, 1000, and so on. It's not ending here. So you got both the values, and clearly you can see that these two are not equal. Clearly limit x tends to 0 minus fx not equals to limit x tends to 0 plus fx, and that from this you can say that limit of fx does not exist. This implies limit x tends to 0 fx equals to limit x tends to 0 1 by x does not exist.